Alright guys, so the next stock that we're breaking down for this morning is ZOMEDICA Corp, or ticker symbol ZOM. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being our daily interval, you guys. And this helps us find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in, helps us find our support and resistance lines and all this other good stuff. Alright, let's go ahead and dive in. So the market just opened 2 minutes ago, and we're kind of fluctuating between 0-10%, and that's really pretty much it. We're not really fluctuating pretty much anywhere as of right now. Let's look at our volume. So we're at 736,000, so we're definitely above the 150,000 that we like to see. Let's go over our support and resistance lines really quick, and then we'll get into more in depth on where we're at. So up here is our heavily tested resistance line. You can see back here we tested this area. Once we broke past that resistance, it works as a support. So you can see that we kept bouncing around off of this level until we came back underneath, and we ultimately failed and pushed us all the way down to our lower level of support down here at the 87-cent area. You look left, you can see we bounced from this area as well. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times until we broke underneath. And let me zoom in so you guys can see that better. You guys can see that we tested this resistance area and we ultimately failed again, and starting to continue our downward trend. So you can see that clearly. We got this lower high, this back here is our lower high, and we're below the trend line. You can see that we're trying to break above that trend line as well. And on our RSI, it does look like we are oversold, trying to correct, or we're kind of flatlining or consolidating as of right now on the RSI. But we did kind of gap up, so that is a good sign. The depth and penetration of where this candlestick opened is a good sign that buyers are trying to step up. But this is a very too soon to say that as of right now, since we only have this candlestick right here with the market just opening. But either way, you guys, what we want to see for if you were to buy this for if you're not shorting the stock, then as of right now, like I said, I would be patient and wait for a better opportunity, because with us being in this downward trend and being below the trend line, and we have this resistance right up here at the 86-cent area, we want to see at least if we can recover and break above this. If we can break above this to come up and come back down and retest this as a support level, then this could be a great buying opportunity. It would create that higher low, we would have that breakout, and we would have that that upward trend that we want to see. But as of right now, we are underneath the resistance. We're in a downward trend. So getting in right now wouldn't really make the most sense unless you are shorting this stock. Okay, if you're shorting this stock, then obviously you have some potential to make some money with this probably coming back down to our lowest level of support down here at the 34-cent area. And from there, if you were to get in at that area as well, that could be a good buying opportunity as well, since this is also a level of test, or a tested area that we tend to bounce from as well. So as of right now, if you're trying to buy the stock for, if you're not shorting, then like I said, I would be patient and wait until we can at least break above the 86-cent area, you guys, because as of right now, it's too early to say if we're starting to recover, since we only have this candlestick to show that we're trying to create this upward trend, because we are technically still below our trend line as well. Okay, so let's just be patient and wait for the best opportunity, you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if it helped in any type of way, please hit that like and subscribe button. Allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday or every other day. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.